Hello youngsters! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about our stay at the Grand Hotel. I want to share with you friends our experience and what to expect when coming here. Well, we're here friends to celebrate the birthday of Mr. Yang. We stayed here for 2 nights and 2 days. Actually, it's 3 days nga. But since we arrived so late during our first day, hindi na siya counted, diba? And then, wala lang, natulog na rin kami pagkadating namin. Upon entering the hotel, you will be amazed at the grandeur of the hotel. Sa ceiling pa lang, talagang mapapahanga ka na nga agad eh. Look, the paintings, the lightings, the red carpet. Ay, grabe, ang sarap sa mata. Nakakawala ng stress. Tsaka feeling, alam mo na, parang feeling Donya pagpasok. I went straight to the reception to check in. And syempre, yung dalawa, ayun, namasyal na. And friends, it was a very speedy check-in. Walang masyadong tanong. They just asked for our IDs. Lahat nga pala na mag-check-in ay need i-present ang ID ha. So don't forget to bring yours. At kahit ilan kayo, lahat yan kailangan ng ID. Kasi titignan talaga kayo ng receptionist. So after checking in, we were so excited to go up and go inside our room. And look at my daughter, diba, nangunguna sa paglakad. Gusto nang makita ang room na pag-stayan namin. Sobrang excited. So here we are, and youngsters, ang ganda, grabe. At ang bango sa loob. Actually, even at the hallway, ang bango. There's no carpet inside, so mas feel mo yung cleanliness. You can choose if you want a king bed or 2 single bed. Actually, at Agoda, the bed is either a king bed or 2 double beds. So, I chose 2 double bed. But when we got to the hotel, it was 2 single bed lang. Wala daw double bed. Wala na rin ako magagawa. But I think kasya na kaming 3 dito. And here's the balcony. Napakatahimik. As in, the occupants in the other room ay mukhang hindi ini-enjoy ang view. Wala kasi akong nakitang may tao man lang na sumilip sa balcony during the time that we stayed there. Bakit kaya? But thankful na rin ako kasi I was able to take a good shot of this area. The room is so spacious, hindi kami nakakabungguan, and there's a lot of storage spaces and cabinets, so hindi masyadong makalat ang aming mga gamit. And this is my favorite part of the room, ang CR. They have a bathtub, a bidet, separate ang shower at ang CR, but they don't provide sa room ng complimentary toothbrush and toothpaste. But during check-in, they will tell you that if you need them, you can call the housekeeping to deliver it in your room. Ayan friends, tignan nyo yung TV nila, nandito na lahat. Yung gusto nyong malaman, ayan, may fine food, may tourist information. Itong tourist information, ano bang meron dito? Ay, yung mga pwede nyong puntahan near the hotel. Then, yung hotel information. Ay, so, lahat pala ng gusto nyong malaman, nandito na. Titignan, bubuksan nyo na lang tong TV. And then, meron silang, free wifi. Bibigay naman sa inyo yung password. So, katulad nito, guys, binigyan ako ng papel. So, for those of you na gustong pumunta rito sa Taipei Hotel na walang car, o yung okay lang kasi they have a free shuttle bus. So you just need to take the MRT station and get off at Qiantan station. Ano ba yan? Hili parang praning, oo. And then they have the free shuttle, and this is the schedule. Yan. So yan, medyo may ilaw. Pero ayun, so I think 6:30, every 30 minutes ang ang dating ng bus. So you don't need to take the taxi kasi medyo malayo din to from the MRT. Sayang naman if you will gonna spend 100 or around 150 for the taxi when you can have the free shuttle coming here, di ba? So, ayan, binigyan din ako ng paper upon check-in. Ito yung mga, yung mga facilities niya from May to October. Yung gym, free siya, and then pool, free din siya.
But the sauna and tennis, merong, ay ito. So, yung sauna, ayan, 840 per person. And then, itong sa, sa tennis, 525 kapag ordinary din. Then, holiday is 1,050. So, tomorrow na lang guys at i-enjoy natin yung buong hotel kung anong pwede nating gawin dito. Good night! Yan, so here's the gym. 7 in the morning until 10. Yan, grabe walang tao. Where are the people? Ang cute ng mga paintings dito. As in talagang feeling luma na talaga yung hotel. Yan, may water refilling station. Ayan, more paintings. Yan, going. Yeah, me too. Ayan, may free towel. You need to give the card, Daddy. How nice. Wait, I will look. This is outside inside the gym. Push. It's so small. 你要做哪个？丢。We're here inside the gym. And look, medyo maliit lang siya. Pero okay na din. Kasi basic lang yung kanyang mga equipments. But then, may exercise ka rin. Look, Mr. Yang. So, kanina ito, ginamit ko to. Yan, para sa chan. And then, that one also. And that one, puro sa legs naman. So, pwede na. May napagod din ako. So, the gym is open from 7 in the morning until 10 in the evening. So, just bring your, your key card, so you can enter and use the facilities. Yeah. So, yan. Kunyari hinihingal ako, no? But then, lalabas na kami maya-maya. And then, pasyal-pasyal naman tayo doon sa lobby. Tulog pa yung aming, prinsesa. Kaya, lakad-lakad muna kami dito. So, people, we are here at the lobby. Naglalakad, just looking around. Oh, this is, yeah. This is the, for the breakfast and the lunch buffet. Yan, it's so cute. Ang daming tao. So, naririnig ko yung kanilang, language. Japanese. Ang daming Japanese. May mga nakasabay din kami sa, elevator. Yan, wala po nagpapatugtog, maaga pa. Anong dami, oh. Ayun pa, meron pang bus na darating. Oh, diba? What's this? Oh, wow. Mga chocolates. 95 ang isang macaroon. Okay. Tapos itong mga chocolate din, mga 95 NT and 85. Sige, punta na lang tayo sa punta na lang tayo sa 7-Eleven. 95 ang mahal. So, this hotel is kaya marami ng history to. Marami ng nangyari dito. O, diba? Look at the paintings. I think it's not the original one, pero yung feeling niya na China dynasty, from the Chinese, dynasty. Ayan. As in, mafe-feel mo talaga. Diba? Ay, mga bags. Yan. And let's look here. Makikita mo yung lobby. So beautiful. Ang amoy, ang bango. Ayan si Buddha. Buddha. Yeah. Small Buddha. Ito, ayan, mga diamonds. Daddy, please buy me one.
In your dream.
In my dreams daw. Bastos. Gia diamonds. Wow, Daddy, yellow, oh. I like this. Please.
How much is it?
Yabang tinatanong magkano. Kala mo naman bibili ako. Oh, diba? Yeah, only, only in my dreams na lang.
Something.
And so after exercise, naman kami. We're walking sa lobby. And then papakita niya. So, dito may may Family Mart. So kung medyo nasa budget kayo or kung medyo kulang sa budget and ayaw nyo kumain sa mga restaurants, may Family Mart dito. So, wow, look at the back. Ang cute talaga ng hotel. It's so beautiful, look. Dyan yung namin yung room. Nasa 7th floor, yan. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Dito yung parking ng mga tour bus. And then, way ng Family Mart dito. Yan. And meron ding, what is this? Big Tom Coffee Shop. Oh, there's a plane. Yan, ang cute. So, medyo mainit. Mamayang hapon, magandang maglakad dito. So, lilibot na lang ulit kami mamayang hapon. Yes. Here, there's a restaurant. Yan. So, Family Mart is here. There. Kaya. Oh, ayan, merong mga magma-mountain hike. Oh, that one. Oh, okay. Oh. Ang layo pala doon siya nag-parking doon sa malayo. Ayan. Oh. And there's the 101 building. Kitang-kita. Yeah. And so right now we will gonna go back. Yes. Gigisingin namin si Hailey kasi nagpa-reserve kami sa restaurant ng 11:30 at siya ay magme-make up pa. Yeah, friends, nandito na kami sa hotel and we're getting ready. Nag-shower na ako and talagang sinulit ko yung hotel yung room namin. So na ako, bathtub. Yan, kasi sayang kung hindi ko gagamitin, di ba? Yun nga lang walang bubble bath. Water lang talaga, as in hot water. Pero okay na din. Hello friends, so we're here. We're gonna go to the buffet. 11:30 yung namin, reservation. So look, kailangan pumila. Ayan, maraming tao. So ito yung second namin gagawin dito. So nag-gym kami kaninang umaga and then now naman since 11 o'clock na dito kami magla-lunch. And this is located at the lobby of the hotel. Yan, para tayong nasa China, no? Feels like we're in China. Dahil sa ano, sa design. Vegetarian station. Masarap. We have Häagen-Dazs and we have Big Tom. Ayan, meron din silang mga cakes dito. Ang dami. Yeah, so hindi ko na alam anong kakainin ko. Sobrang dami. They have fruits here. Yun. And this section, ano kaya itong mga to? Isda din eh. Ocean sunfish. Parang hindi ko na makakain. Ayan, mga siopaw. Yun, nandito pala. Siomai. Ito yung mga ano, mga Chinese cuisine. Yan. This one is shrimp with cheese. Roasted fish. Yan yung soup. Third plate. And friends, look what I found. Tanan! Merong ano, free wine, red wine, may white wine. Ako palalampasin ba natin to? Of course, hindi. Cheers! Busog ka na? Okay, we still have a lot of food. Oy, ano yan? Ano yan? Sige, bahala ka. Sige, tingnan natin kung matatry, kung matitake niya. Ano, masarap? Don't copy mommy. That's only for adults. Ano to? Di red wine. And to finish our lunch, we're gonna eat ice cream. Yan. How about the birthday boy? Yes. And me, we're going to eat Häagen-Dazs. This is Häagen-Dazs. Later na yung isa. The Big Tom. Ayan friends, katatapos lang namin kumain and grabe, sobrang busog. By the way, if you're not into buffet, there are other restaurants available here at the hotel. They have the Taiwanese restaurant and then they also have a steakhouse. And of course, meron syempre sila nung coffee shop sa lobby.
Hi youngsters! Thank you for watching my Grand Hotel series. So, ayun, I already featured the yung hotel tours, the buffet, and then just watch out na lang for my yung the secret passage tour. Di bali, I made a separate video for that kasi medyo mahaba. So, medyo elaborate yung video ko na yon from the start until dun sa end of the tour. So, for now, I just want to have a review of the Grand Hotel. So first, yung service facilities niya, rate ng 1 to 5, I can say is, let's say 4. Okay yung gym niya, di ba? Kahit na medyo maliit, but they have the basic equipment. And then the pool area is too far. Yung yung location. So actually, I've been here for two times already, and I haven't been there kasi sobrang layo talaga. From the looks of it, from here nakikita ko siya, but then going down dun sa pool, naku po, parang hindi ko alam kung saan saan may shortcut ba or what. No. And then sauna, I'm not sure about the sauna facilities because may you have to pay before you enter, diba? In some hotels it's already free, but here hindi. And then the tennis also, you have to pay for that. So medyo lang siya, low grade siya sa akin. And then for the rooms, 1 to 5, I can say it's 5 because it's really clean and it's big. Yung yung room namin, which is a prestige deluxe room, yeah, maganda siya. And they have bathroom, meron silang bathtub, they have shampoos, but they don't put toothbrush doon, so you have to go downstairs or you have to call the receptionist para doon. And wala, I'm not sure if they offer combs or yung mga tawag ito, yung mga cotton buds, kasi we brought our own kasi yun nga, as I've said in my video, na some of the hotels right now, they don't offer those kinds of ang tawag doon, yung mga freebies already. So you really have to ask for the reception if you want to, so if you really need to. So the hotel rate is 7,000 plus with the with taxes. So medyo pricey siya because for me because they doesn't include breakfast. So yun, so for 7,000 for 2 persons, 1 night, diba? So for 2 nights na nandito kami, around 14,000 na, so medyo pricey, and then without breakfast pa. And then what else? The restaurant, we've been to the buffet, and there are items na talagang masarap, but then there are items na so-so lang siya. Like yung beef, it's so hard na talagang parang goma, parang it's like a rubber band. Oh my goodness, hindi masarap. We just enjoyed the ice cream kasi you can choose between Häagen-Dazs and the Big Toms, and then yung kanilang drinks, medyo onti din lang yung juice nila, parang 2 lang, and then they have soft drinks, and then tea, yun lang. So beer, they also have beer and wine. And what else? Yung sa kanilang vegetarian, hindi ko tinry kasi they look parang not fresh. Ayun, so parang half-half siya. There are items na sobrang sarap din. There are items naman na I will not gonna recommend. And then for the price of the buffet, it's 1,550 for each person. Pwede na. Oo, it's cheaper compared to other buffet outside, diba? And since the buffet is inside the hotel, a 5-star hotel, and for that price, okay. For the transportation, coming from the airport, you just take the MRT going straight to Gentan, and then from Gentan station, you can have the free shuttle bus. O diba, okay na siya. So wherever you are in Taipei, you can easily reach this place
And yun nga, they have a free shuttle bus. So, okay siya. And then for shopping, there are shops on the second floor. And then, syempre, the prices, you know naman, the hotel prices are not that cheap. But they offer yung mga genuine leathers. And then, what else? They are selling mga Taiwan items. Yeah, okay siya. So, yung mga golds. And then they have jades, they have crystals. They also have Family Mart if you're on a budget, diba? Or if you don't want to splurge so much sa food nila. They have Family Mart there, and then they also have a medyo low price na coffee shop beside the Family Mart. And then for the hotel overall, I can say let's give it a 5. Yay! Because from the transportation, and then yung sa facilities, and then what else? Yung sa staff nila, from the doorman up to the cleaner, oh yeah, they're so approachable, and hindi sila masusungit, ang babait nila. They always have a smile on their faces. So okay sila. And then, kasi we've been here for 2 nights, diba? So we saw how the cleaners or the staff clean the rooms. Grabe talaga ang super clean talaga sila. No wonder the rooms are so clean, and kasi masyadong, kumbaga, parang perfectionist yung parang perfection yung ginagawa nila sa paglilinis sa room. On youngsters, if ever you're planning to come here to Taipei and you wanted to stay at the Grand Hotel, I really recommend these hotels. Look you don't really need to go out that much kasi nandito na mayroon ng swimming pools. They have all the facilities, and then they have foods. You can shop here, and then they also have a tour of the hotel yon. So ano pang hahanapin mo, diba? So nandito ng lahat. If you have any questions regarding this place, just leave a comment down below, and I will gonna answer it for you. So for now, dito muna tayo, friends, kasi we need to check out na. It's already 10:30 in the morning. So the checkout is 11 a.m. So yun, thank you very much, and as I've said, watch out for the Secret Passage tour coming up. Bye.